Okay, the next problem here is asking us what are like fractions. So basically, fractions, so let's first talk about fractions quickly. Fractions have a numerator, which is a number on top, the numerator, and a denominator, and it basically, it just means that in this specific case, we have 2 over 7, the numerator is 2 and the denominator is 7. So it basically says that if we split something into 7 parts and we take 2 parts of it, in it, that is 2 over 7. So it basically means that two portions of a 7 portion, or yes, so basically it means 2 out of 7 portions. And that's basically what fraction is. And then we have like fractions. Like fractions. So like fractions are basically fractions that has the same denominator. So basically the bottom number is the same, and that are like fractions. Okay? Fractions with the same denominator. Denominator. Cool. So like fractions are fractions with the same denominator. For example, we have 2/3 and 1/3 and 3/3, and they're all like fractions. They're all like fractions. So how about 2/5 and 1/5 and 4/5? They're also all like fractions. However, 2/3 and 1/5, they're not like fractions because their denominator are different. Alright? They are like fractions. So when the denominator is the same, or when fractions are like fractions, and when you're adding like fractions, you can just directly add the numerator. However, when you are adding fractions that are not like fractions, you had to make them like fractions before adding the numerators. And that's basically how you do fractions addition. So they're important for doing fractions addition. Okay, and let's look at a sample solution here. Yeah. Basically, they're like fractions are just fractions that have the same denominator, and like fractions are really useful for doing fraction addition. So let's just say, great job, the solution is correct. Solution is correct. And let's move on to our fourth problem now.